Hello, today we will start to record the tutorial for the product that we developed in the Tech Hub project, and we will start with the first project from 21 available on this project. Here are all PDF tutorials for all products that we will do together during this project. So I will start with first one, and in each video I will present how to design in SolidWorks software each of these products shown in these tutorials. So let's start with first one. In first one we had a minimalist photo frame, and we should design this to obtain this product. Okay, so you will be able to follow the tutorial by yourself and design this product, and of course there will be a person to aid you in the design process. But today I will present you another way to design this part. I will take just the dimension from the PDF tutorial. So let's go and find out the sketch for this first sketch, the dimensions for the first sketch. Okay, so here I will take these dimensions and we will insert in my software, and that will be the only one step that will be common with what I will do today. The rest steps will be different. Okay, so I see I have here a base that have 5 millimeters height and 45 millimeters length, and also I have a 60 millimeters height of the second wall that is under angle of 65 degrees. Okay, so I go in my software in SolidWorks, and how it's shown in the PDF tutorial, we should start with a new. So I come here to the new and choose the part section, because I will make a part. So upload the part modeling, make some customization that we need, and I want to have a white background, and I take this white background to work on it. So first of all, I should create a sketch. So I switch from feature menu to sketch menu and take the sketch command. Choose a plane on which I will create the sketch. So I will take the front plane, and here I will create that sketch that I will use to create my part. So each sketch will be a simple, very simple sketch. So first of all, I will create a rectangle. So I will take a corner rectangle, and I will start from origin and just draw this rectangle somewhere in the workspace. Let's say here. Now I will press escape from keyboard. Double click on scroll in order to zoom my sketch, and just put the dimension that we see here. So it's 45. No, I will make it 50. I will make it with 50 and 5. Okay, so it will be 50 millimeters here and 5 millimeters here. So this is a full defined sketch. We can see here the fully defined node that is there, and let me find out how 50 millimeters. So we will extrude this with 50 millimeters. So I searched for the dimension that I need to extrude. So I will exit from sketch from here. Now I will rotate it in 3D view to see my sketch in 3D view, and go to features. I switch to features menu and take the extrude command. click on this and specify here, instead of 10 millimeters, it will be 50. Okay, and here are the result. If I agree with the result, I just validate, press this OK button. Click OK. So I have the base of my feature part. Now I will create the second sketch. So I will go again to the sketch menu, take the sketch command. I will open the browser from here and choose the plane to create the sketch. So it will be again the front plane. I will go in the browser, right click on the second sketch and say look normal to my second sketch, and here I will create the second rectangle that will be parallelogram, and it will start from here, it will go somewhere there, and it will be something like this. Okay, so now I should put the geometrical constraints on this sketch, and I will say that this edge should be horizontal one. Okay, now you see it's horizontal, so it can be moved just in a horizontal direction. Good. And what we know from the dimensions, this should be 60, yes, 60. The angle between this and this should be 65 degrees, yes, and this between this and this, oh, sorry, between this and this should be 5 millimeters, yes. How this? In the same way this one, but I can check the dimension. No, it's 3, so the base will be 5 millimeters and the angled wall would be 3 millimeters. So here, instead of 5, double click on it and say 3 millimeters. Okay, good. So this is my second sketch. I exit from sketch, I rotate and say extrude, this one, and again with 50. Validate, and I obtain this result. Now I will do a sketch here in order to perform a shape that allow us to insert a postcard or a photo or just a paper with some text there. Don't matter what we want to insert. I will create a third sketch and say I want to create it on this surface, so I will click on this surface. Okay, and just go normal to surface. Good. And here I'll make this sketch, so it will be a simple 3-line sketch. Okay, like this. And now just add the dimensions. So I say that I want from this end to be 10 millimeters, from this end to be again 10 millimeters, from top to be same 10 millimeters. And from here to here, I think it will be 20 millimeters. And again, I want that this point with this point to be on same horizontal line. Good. So this is my shape that I will cut. Exit from sketch, go to features, and now I want to cut material. So I will take extrude cut options, select the sketch, and say I want to cut on this direction with thin feature. So it will cut with how many millimeters I want, and I think 2 millimeters will be enough to cut. Or let me try 5. I think it's too much, but I want to go outside. Okay, let's try with 5, but this 50 is too much, 10 will be enough. Yes, so the software will cut this material as from my previous part. Okay, cut, and we obtain this cut here. Okay, and now I will do some adjustment on this part. First of all, I will add some fillets with radius 5. Let's try here and here and validate. Yes, and now you can see it's more how to say smooth. Yes, and I also add a fillet with radius 2 on this edge and on this edge, and of course on this and this. And if I want, I can add also on this and this. Okay, validate, and we obtain the fillet corners that looks more smooth on the model. Okay, after I do all the operations, I obtain the minimalistic photo frame. I will add the material or the color on this, so I can do it from few locations. First of all, I can do it from here, from Display Manager. I can do right click here and choose the appearance, or I can come here and also choose the appearance and the colors. Okay, let's take it from here. Good, so I want to change the appearance and I want to be from plastic material. I want high gloss, let's say, and the color, let's say I want to be green one, and just drag and drop and choose. I want to color just a face, I want to color a feature, I want to color the whole body or the part. So I will prefer color the part with just one color. It will be a monochrome part. Now I will save it and the name will be, let me see, 1. So I will name it just 1.1. Okay, so come here, say save. I will put it on my desktop and say video 1.1. Okay, so it will be my part. Save. Of course, after I saved my part, you can see here the name video 1.1.cldprt. So it's come from solid part. Okay, I can obtain the realistic images from this part. So I will go to tools. I will go to SolidWorks add-ins, and I will upload the PhotoView 360. I will wait a few seconds. This add-in will be added to my software. You can see it's uploading, and after that I will be able to create the realistic photo from this part or from other part or from other assembly with different type of effects. We will wait a few seconds and we will be able to create these pictures. Okay, waiting for uploading. Okay, now our model is uploaded and it appears here in the menu bar. So I go click on PhotoView 300. I can edit the appearance, I can edit the sun, the decal, I can display a state target and other options for render. But I will use just the final render and say I don't want to add a camera, so I don't do any special effects. So I just obtain the pictures from this angle in this situation. So just wait. The software will generate the pictures and we will have it also on my desktop. So just wait for it. We wait, it's uploading again. So the software thinking or processing the pictures. Just wait for it, it will come. Okay, here appear the icon for pictures. I can open it and you can see how pixel by pixel software generate the pictures, and here is how many of it's uploading. And you can see it's uploading here, it's 50% updating, and here is the pictures. Of course, I can obtain a different type of pictures. I can zooming it with actual size, I can processing, and I can see the option of these pictures. I can save it or I can change what I want to save. If I will go here, we will see that I can save preview images also on my desktop, and I see pictures, also 1.1, save. And if I will go on my desktop right now, we will see that I have the pictures, I will open it, open with photos. And you can see the result of this. And now you can use these pictures in your presentations, on your website, on your tutorials and other type of documents. That's it. This is our first tutorial for designing a part, and we start with a simple part with a minimalistic photo frame. So thank you for watching, and I wait for you for second one.